You probably clicked on this video because you're looking for the best text-to-speech software to use in 2023. I've gone through all this. I've tested a lot of AI tools, a lot of text-to-speech softwares, and of course, I've come to the conclusion that this is actually the best text-to-speech software in 2023. I've used it on many of my AI channels, and it has proven to be the best. In this video, I'll be taking you through a rundown of the best text-to-speech software called Wellsaid Labs. Let's do this. So creating an account on Wellsaid Labs is probably very easy because you have to just connect your Google account and create your own password and you're good to go. Now, the next thing a lot of people probably want to know is about the pricing. Wellsaid Labs, for me, in terms of pricing to characters and number of downloads, is actually the best because I've tested many of them. Now, it has 4 different levels: the marker for indie creators, creative, team, and enterprise. With the markers, you get 250 downloads, 5 projects, 24 voice avatars, and the rest. The $99 plan, which I actually use for the creative, you get 750 downloads within a month, 50 projects, all voice avatars, 120 voice styles, and a lot more. The team includes everything in the creative and the markers plan, and of course, you have a total of 100 projects. You can create collaboration workspace and a lot more. I won't talk about the enterprise level. Now, just to indicate here that Wellsaid Labs do not actually work in terms of characters, it works in terms of downloads. And this is why I actually love it, because I've tested 11 Labs voice maker and was worried about the number of characters, which gives you this internal stress. But with this one, you're not worried about the number of characters, you're worried about the number of downloads, which with the creative plan, you see, it has 750 downloads within a month, which is probably the best option you can go for. Now, after signing up and actually I upgraded into the creative plan, this is how it looks like. Remember, I can create up to 50 projects. I've divided my projects in the way that my workers can work with this. You see, I've created 6 different projects, but I'm just going to take one and show you guys with an example, right? Now, you have this section where you can choose the avatar by clicking here. It also gives you the ability to see all previous prompts you have generated using this text-to-speech software. This is why I actually love it, because it doesn't actually forget your scripts. It just helps you to store them, unlike other text-to-speech softwares on the market right now. Now, it also gives you at the sidebar the recently used avatars you have used. I'm just going to play this one called Tida, and you can actually hear how it sounds.
They waited until marriage to have sex, citing religious reasons. However, Justin admitted to having a promiscuous past. It has been suggested that if Justin and Haley had not gotten married, he and Selena might still be together.
So you probably get what this is talking about. It's talking about Selena Gomez and Rihanna, and it's very clean. It sounds like a real human being. Now, when you click on this avatar here, you can get a whole lot of, I should say, voice avatars. Let's take Tobin. So when you paste your text in here, it takes some time to actually generate a script. And here you go. You see why it's generating. Let me talk about other things. Now, you can actually select multiple clips and download them at once. Most text-to-speech softwares, you have the ability of downloading each single clip, but with this, you can actually select multiple clips and download them at once by clicking on this button and selecting the multiple clips which you can download. Now, another thing that's very handy is that you can download in different file formats like MP3, WAV, OGG, and a lot more, right? It's very clean. See, you can even download with MP3 plus a text file. Now, we've used Tobin to create a voice, and let's hear how it sounds. I hope you like it.
In an interview, Justin and Haley revealed that they waited until marriage to have sex, citing religious reasons. However, Justin admitted to having a promiscuous past.
You see, it's actually very clean, and I'm sure it's something that a lot of creators are using right now, but you don't even know. Remember, as I create a text-to-speech, the avatar appears at the side, and of course, it makes it very easy. Now, another thing that I actually love about this is the fact that I can create up to 50 projects. You see, I have just created 6 projects here, but I could create up to 50 projects, and you can always follow up your account by checking on how many clips you've actually converted within the month on this section. By coming to account, going to plan, you'll see I've used 42 clips out of 750 clips just this month. You see, this is a lot, right? 750 clips is just a lot to actually continue. Now, it's very easy to actually use this text-to-speech. I want to give them a shout out for actually making the interface so easy. But there are some things that I would have loved for them to do. Like they would have probably considered making it above 5,000 characters, considering the fact that it's very easy and you don't actually stress to use the software. It doesn't take a lot of time to load up. So I think they will have increased these to like 10,000 characters. It would have been probably cool. Now, it's the best AI text-to-speech software in 2023. And if you're thinking of leveling up your content by using AI text-to-speech software, I'll probably recommend this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick breakdown of Wellsaid Labs, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.